Hello, this is Muhammad Usman and welcome to Usman Programming Tutorial. This is the fourth tutorial of Windows command line interface. In this tutorial we will learn how we can set the properties for our file. Like in GUI we can set the properties like read only, or we can hide our file. So in this tutorial we will learn how we can make our file read only or hide our file. Now start your CMD from here. This is my CMD interface. Now I want to go to the desktop. Then in test CMD folder I have created two folders, like 2 dot in this folder I have these 5 text file. Now if I want to open any of these text file, I need to write the command start. Now the name of the file is 1.txt. This is my file, welcome, which contains the content, welcome to Usman Programming Tutorial and other. I can't write to this file, I can't add more information to this file. For that I need to make it read only. To making the file read only, I need to use the command attrib. Attrib is the command which actually set the attributes for my file. If I want to add the read only attribute, I need to write it here plus R, then the name of the file, followed by the name of the file, which is 1.txt. Now my file is read only. So now if I want to add the content in my file, then it will not allow me to do so. Now if I start again my file, start 1.txt, and write some content here. Let's suppose my new content is this, and save the file. If I give this a name, any other one edited, it will not allow me to save this file with the same name. If I will give the other name, then it will allow me. Now it's showing me the error 1.txt already exists, do you want to replace it? If yes, then it will ask me that this file is set to read only. So it means I can't add more information into the file with the same name. If I want to add this information, I need to change the name of this file. So now my content is saved, but the name of the file is changed as well. It means I have not been able to add the content in my 1.txt file because that is read only. If I write the die command here, then it shows me the 6 files here. Now if I want to hide my particular file, for that I need to use the attrib command again, and then with the switch plus H. Now 1.txt, I have applied a hide as well as read only attribute on my 1.txt file. Now if I see the content of this current directory again, then it will not show me the 1.txt file. So here 1.txt file is not showing me here. Okay, this is how we can hide our content as well as how we can make our file read only. So I hope it will help you. Thank you.